Hi guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to our Amharic learning series. Today we will learn 8 words that start with he and hey. He and hey. Because we already covered it, the word starts with ha, the first letter and the first letter ha. They are similar, so we don't need to learn about them now. And I will quiz you at the end, so stick around until the end to test your memory, alright? Let us see where to start with the letter he. For example, heed. Heed means go. Heed, go. ትንሽ ወደፊት ሂድ። ትንሽ ወደፊት ሂድ። ትንሽ ወደፊት ሂድ. Go forward a little bit. ሂደት ሂደት means process. የምዝገባው ሂደት ቀላል ነው። የምዝገባው ሂደት ቀላል ነው። The registration process is easy. ሂሳብ means maths. እሷ ሂሳብ ላይ በጣም ጎበዝ ናት። እሷ ሂሳብ ላይ በጣም ጎበዝ ናት። She is very good at maths. ሂስ means criticism. ገንቢ ሂስ እቀበላለሁ። ገንቢ ሂስ እቀበላለሁ። Accept constructive criticism. Henna is a color that people apply on their hair. ሂና መቀባት ፀጉር ያሳምራል። ሂና መቀባት ፀጉር ያሳምራል። ሂና መቀባት ፀጉር ያሳምራል። Applying henna makes hair beautiful. Now let us learn the words start with hey, the fifth letter. Hey. Example. The first example is helicopter. Helicopter. You know helicopter is helicopter in Amharic. ሄሊኮፕተሩ በሰማይ በረረ። ሄሊኮፕተሩ በሰማይ በረረ. A helicopter flew in the sky. ሄክታር is ሄክታር. በዚህ ዓመት 4000 ሄክታር መሬት ታርሷል። በዚህ ዓመት 4000 ሄክታር መሬት ታርሷል. In this year, 4000 hectares of land have been plowed. ሄደ means he went. እሱ ወደ ቤቱ ሄደ. እሱ ወደ ቤቱ ሄደ. He went to his house. He went to his home. ሄድኩ means I went. ትናንት ወደ ሱቅ ሄድኩ. ትናንት or ትናንትና ወደ ሱቅ ሄድኩ. ትናንትና ወደ ሱቅ ሄድኩ. ትናንት ወደ ሱቅ ሄድኩ. Yesterday I went to your shop. Now it is a quiz time. I will ask you, you will answer to me. Okay, the first question is, what is the English meaning of heat? What is the English meaning of heat? What does heat mean in English? Heat means go. Alright, is a command. Go. A direct command for a meal. Heat. Number 2, question 2. Translate ትንሽ ወደፊት ሂድ into English. Alright. Translate ትንሽ ወደፊት ሂድ into English. What does ትንሽ ወደፊት ሂድ mean in English? ትንሽ ወደፊት ሂድ. Please go forward a little bit. Alright. Question 3. What is the Amharic word for maths? Maths means ሂሳብ. Translate እሷ ሂሳብ ላይ በጣም ጎበዝ ናት. እሷ ሂሳብ ላይ በጣም ጎበዝ ናት into English. እሷ ሂሳብ ላይ በጣም ጎበዝ ናት means she is good at maths. She is very good at maths. በጣም means very. Alright. Question 5. What is the English meaning of his? What does his mean in English? His means criticism. Alright. Question 6. What is the meaning of ገንቢ ሂስ እቀበላለሁ? ገንቢ ሂስ እቀበላለሁ. ገንቢ ሂስ እቀበላለሁ means I accept constructive criticism. Question 7. What is the meaning of ሄሊኮፕተሩ በሰማይ በረረ? ሄሊኮፕተሩ በሰማይ በረረ means the helicopter flew in the sky. Question 8. What is the Amharic word for he went? How would you say he went in Amharic? He went means ሄደ. Only one word built from 2 letters. Only 2 letters. ሄደ. He went. You see, in English it is 2 words, but in Amharic it is only one word. Question 9 is, what does ወደ ሄደ mean? ወደ ሄደ means he went to his home. Alright, so that is it for today. Thanks for watching all the way to the end. Today you learned practical Amharic words like heed, hisab, his, and head. Was it very useful in daily conversations? So don't forget to like and subscribe and even hit the bell icon so you don't miss any Amharic video. And don't forget to like this video, even share it with the people who are learning Amharic currently. Inshallah, tomorrow we will meet with another video lesson that starts with the letter H. Alright, the sixth letter. We will make words with the sixth letter H. So see you there. Bye.